Hey, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel World of Coding. In today's video, I am going to copy a file which is present in S3 container to a SQL database. So this is the sample file, and I'm going to upload to storage account. So let me first upload. Let me upload to source location. Okay. So this is my activity.csv file. Okay. We have uploaded to a blob. I've already set up a connection with SQL database. Okay, so let's go to query data. Let's log in. Um, okay, and let's create a table for it. So this is the table, and click on execute. Uh, if not exist, let me remove this because the table is already not created. And I will click on select star from DB. Or you can also check from here. The table has been created. Okay, dbo dot activity. So when we will click from here, you can see no rows are present inside. So let's go to ADF. Okay, let's uh, create a link service to it. For Azure block, we have already created a link service. Now let's create a link service to SQL database. Okay, let's search for SQL. Okay, so this is one. I will select the free trial. Okay, let's give the username and password. Okay, and now let's click on test connection. So that connection is successful and our link service to SQL database has been created. Now let's go to here and now let's create a dataset. Click on Azure Blob Storage, continue, we have a CSV file. Okay, let's give ds underscore source blob source blob source. Okay. We will use Azure Blob Storage link service. Now gives the path, its inside input, source and activity. Mine first row is header. And now let's import the schema also. Click on OK. So dataset has been created. Okay, we have a CSV delimited file. Okay, now let's also create a dataset for SQL server SQL database. We will use this link service that we've created. We have only one table created here. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, so connection is successful, and we have these 4 columns. Now we will use the copy activity. Okay, copy data to database. Let's give a name, source. We will use ds blob source. Okay, if we will use wildcard path if there is a file, if the data is present in multiple files and you want to ingest at once to a database. Let's go to sync and click on Azure SQL 1. So right behavior will be insert only. Okay. Okay. seems correct only. We can see the mapping. Okay. Uh, Event date, games played, it will be a string. So what we do? Okay, we need to detect the data type also. So let's go here, import schema parameter. Uh, now let it be how we can, through preview we can see this. Okay, and okay, schema parameter. Okay, now let's run the table to check whether it's successful or not. If not, we will see what can be done. Or we can also create a new map. Seems not, seems incorrect. Okay, let's first clear it out. Okay, seems okay only. And now let's run. Let's check if it is success or not. The pipeline is running. Let's check. Okay, the data is being loaded. So here it will be succeeded. Okay, so as you can see, we have copied data from as a file to a database. Now let's also use the delete activity to delete the file from source path. Okay, we will use delete. Okay, we will attach this like this. Click on source. Okay, let's disable logging for now. Okay, we have given the path of the source path. Now let's run. So it's been queued. Let's refresh from here. Okay, as you can see, my activity.cb file has been deleted. Okay, and it's a success. Both copy data and delete data. But as you can see here, when I will run this or run count star, you can see there are 10 records, but in our file there are only 5 records. So what happened? The data got appended. This means data got inserted without delete. So what we can do? We can in sync we can do something like this also. Prescript delete from dbo dot let me copy from here only, dbo dot activity. Okay, so what we'll do before running the sync, it will run this command. So let's debug now. Click on debug. Oh, it will fail. Surely fail because the file has been deleted from where. Let me upload again. Um, it will be activity. Click on upload. Okay. Yeah, I know it will fail. Okay, I've uploaded. Click on close and click on rerun. So it's been queued again. Yeah. So what happened when you will now run this? Earlier there were 10 rows, but now there are again back to 5. So what happened? It was truncate and load activity. So in our sync, I have run this command. So what it will do, it will delete all the records that are present inside activity table, and then it will copy the data from blob to SQL database. So and then it will delete from here. So hope you enjoy the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.